Hey guys, welcome back to Pray Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we are going to be doing a diamond painting haul. So I just recently purchased a Diamond Dots mystery box from the site Creative Kreations. I will link them below. I'm just going to go ahead and say I didn't like the mystery box. There's only one item I really like in this mystery box. All of these things are just not my style, but I'm going to show you what I got in the mystery box just in case you order. You may get some of the same things. I'm not sure. The first item is this Diamond Dots all inclusive diamond face art kit. This one is huge. It's called Princess Magic. It's originally priced at $51.99. So the entire mystery box itself was $50. So of course this is a deal. This is a 29.1 by 21.7 inch. This is insane. Like, I have no intentions of doing this. Um, and even I would only do this if this had been a design that I liked. And I absolutely just, this is not it for me. I'm not going to unbox this because I really don't care about it. I will probably end up giving this away, maybe, unless, I change my mind about it. But this is not my style at all. And I do not like this particular design at all. So that's the one thing about mystery boxes. You just never know what you're going to get. Like, this is not it. I would never have purchased that in a million years. So the next one is a bit smaller. It's this giraffe, which never would I have purchased this. This was originally, do they have the original price on this one? I don't know, but I'm guessing if this other large one was 51, this was probably around 40. This one is, what's the size of this? Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know what the size of this is. Um, I don't know. And I'm so annoyed by it that I don't care. So I don't know what size this is. It's a little bit smaller. It doesn't say on the box. It's a little bit smaller. It definitely would never have bought this. Like, not my style at all. So I won't be unboxing that. That was a big fat no. And then we get slightly smaller. And you would have thought I would have been excited about this because it's a llama. This one is regularly $25.99. But as I've told you guys before, not all llamas are created equal. So this one is a 15 by 7 by 19 by 7. And this llama is not it. It's an okay looking llama. Her name is Lulu, the llama. This is an intermediate kit. I probably will keep this one just because it's a llama, but it's very AI weird. Like, I like a lot of the AI stuff that I've been seeing in the diamond painting world, but this is just like, this looks AI weird to me. It's just not horrible, but I would have never purchased this. So this would have normally been $25.99. So these three were just a big no. You can see the size differences a little bit here. So we're getting a little bit smaller. And then they had the nerve to throw in a smiley face. And y'all know I hate smiley faces. This is called Jivin. I mean, this isn't an ordinary smiley face. It's not bad. It's not the worst. This is a 12 by 2 by 13 by 4. It's not the worst, but I would have never purchased this. Never. So you can see how they gave me different sizes, and all of these were just not it for me. I'm not happy with any of these. And I don't think I can return this. I have to see if I can return this because I'm just not happy with any of it. Most mystery boxes you can't return. So this is the only thing I liked. I was really excited about this. This one is the greeting card. Yeah, it's a greeting card. And this is how it looks. I love it, of course, because it's smaller. And it just says with love. And it comes with the drills. And the envelope for the card. And the inside is blank. So this is really pretty. And these are the drills. So I really do like this one. But everything else was just not it at all. Based off of my box, I would tell you do not order this box unless those are just some designs you like. But yeah, don't order this box. They gave you items that were well worth over $50, but they were items like, who's gonna buy a big giraffe? Like, why would you buy that? um so I don't know if I can return this. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm pretty sure I most likely can't. But I was not happy with this mystery box, unfortunately. So womp womp to that. Let me know if you've ordered a Diamond Dotz mystery box before from any other site and what you thought about it, what you think about mystery boxes for diamond painting in general, and have you been satisfied with them? I don't know if I would. I plan to do any mystery boxes for diamond paintings in the future, just because I'm picky about the diamond painting things that I like. Um, there's a lot of this fantasy type world in the diamond painting world with the art, and I do not like that fantasy unicorn rainbow type crap. Like in this, like I just would have never. So I'm very picky when it comes to what diamond art, paintings I personally want to do. So I don't think mystery boxes are for me in this world. Now, mystery craft boxes are different with like paper crafting. I'm pretty much never disappointed with the paper crafting mystery boxes, but I am severely disappointed with this one. So I would not recommend this box. But let me know what you think. It's just like, yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it, guys. Womp, wompity womp. This is probably the first mystery box across all crafting that I've just really not liked at all. Um, yeah, because I've purchased a lot of mystery boxes from different sites for different things this year, and this one is just not it. So let me know if you've purchased any mystery boxes. I know Diamond Art Club has a lot of mystery boxes. I definitely don't plan to order their mystery boxes because from what I've seen, like they can give even larger diamond art pieces in their mystery boxes, and I have no desire for that. So just let me know your thoughts on this, and if I definitely think it's definitely worth the $50. It's just the designs are just not it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, go ahead and put some hearts in the comments to heal my broken heart from this mystery box that sucked. And I will be bringing you more hauls and fun things in the future. See you guys later. Bye.